1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're going to open the Oreo and take out the cream. Like this, we have separated our Oreos and our cream. We're gonna grind the Oreos with my mommy. Batter is ready. Let's pour it into a bowl. Are you ready to bake the spooky cake? Put this into the microwave for 5 minutes. Our cake is ready. Let's make it more spookier. Let's put some orange and purple sprinkles. And then let's put this ghost in the middle. Let's cut it. Ooh, let's cut the cake and taste it.